Hey, good day, ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Good day, ladies and gentlemen, it's me, J Hunter Bomb, and I'm sleepy as hell. And today I'm at ORTO. ORTO is down there. There it is. And behind me is apparently the live turtle and tortoise museum. I heard it's pretty good. I think it moved from Jurong or something to here, so that's a change. I've not been here for like I think almost close to 2 years. And I heard they did a little bit of change to the pond. There's like a new snakehead pond or something, but lower Seletar Reservoir is just like somewhere there, yeah. So I don't get it. Like, is it for people who like can't get Toman but want the fight? I guess so. It's a pay pond, so I'll not be going to the Toman pond. I think I heard there's like a different pricing for Toman pond, so what's up with that? It used to be just like a luring pond, so like nobody would disturb the lures down there, and they would just catch the same few fish and throw it back. And like also I think the sea bass, Kim's, Barramundi, yeah, small ones. Used to have a bunch of them there. Oh, that's a nice bird. Oh, it's a crow. Yeah, and anyway, the lighting is pretty good. Smack in my face on the left side. Look pretty decent today. Not overly fat. So hopefully today will be a good day. I'll be meeting up with Leo in like I don't know, maybe he's here already. I've not checked my phone. And yeah, catch some fish, find some lures, and maybe fall asleep. See ya. Okay, so today I'll be using some of this strawberry paste and some crickets. Both I bought from TCE Tackles, which have moved their branch at Bukit Batok, so making my membership totally useless, and that sucks ball. So f you TCE Tackles, f you, a big f you. But I will try to visit you guys sometime again soon. See ya! Oh! Alright, first treasure of the day. Magnetic rock. Some kind of what is that? Ferrous material, is it?
Catch of the day.
Yeah, the catch of the day. Bet you didn't know this was in ORTO, right? So I got another magnetic rock, some sort. Notice that there's a lot of all these little shellfish, snail things which are always on these rocks, which is kind of strange. Don't know why they're attracted to it. Maybe it's because it's magnetic or something. And yeah, oh, what's that? Maybe we'll find more stuff. Yeah, baby, first lure of the day. Looks like some kind of vibe. The eyes looks like some kind of Gomoku vibe of some sort. Hopefully we get more funny stuff in this stupid ORTO pond. So yeah, these are my loots for today. A bunch of this magnetic rocks, or a bunch of hooks, this weird shit, and this I think it's Storm Exact vibe. No lah, don't use it lah, boring already. Yeah, so I guess this is the best loot for the day. I don't know. I might continue using it the magnet later on if I get bored. Otherwise, back to baiting, or maybe I just go and buy a popper, I guess. See ya!
Ayo, why the CPC so small one? Huh? Why so small? First fish for me today, a small CPC. Very cute. See the cute face. Cute.